Hey everybody, today we're in a 2015 Toyota Corolla. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 854955. And before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You can see it as this white covering there and under there. Now that tape is designed so that if you ever need to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. And the second thing we want to mention is always make sure you install the mount onto your vehicle before you attach anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. So the first thing we need to do is install our vehicle mount. Now this one is for the Toyota Corolla 2015, but of course you can find one specific to your vehicle at ProClipUSA.com. So this mount does install into two different seams right over this vent. The first is right along here. It's kind of between this silver piece of trim and the black that goes around the center screen here. The second is up here between this hard piece of plastic and the upper soft piece of the dash, so right there. So first, you want to take your included gap opener and we're going to insert that into this seam here and make sure it opens up enough so that we can slide this channel down in. So now you want to make sure you hold the mount in place with your thumb and take out the gap opener. Now we're going to use the same gap opener on this upper seam. And you want to insert that basically as far as it'll go so you can use your fingers to snap the upper lip into that seam. There we go. And you can remove the gap opener. And now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.